This perfume I'm gonna sell next on my Shopify store, and in this video I'm gonna create a product video for this product with the help of Sora AI video generation tool without hiring any videographer, photographer, renting out any location or camera. All of the thing I'm gonna be doing staying within this room. So if you also want to learn how you can do this with your product, then keep watching this video step by step without skipping any part, because this video is gonna be super helpful for you and can actually help you in future as well. So for those of you who don't know what Sora AI is, so basically it is an AI video generation tool from the same company OpenAI which created Chatgpt. And this tool is so much amazing that it can generate hyper-realistic video in high quality, like nobody can actually identify if these videos are real or AI generated. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have searched Sora AI on Google. So basically if you go on Google and search for this, so you can see this first link says openai.com/Sora. So you can access this tool from here as well. Otherwise, you can just go on your browser and search for that link, sora.chatgpt.com. So basically, you can see that when I open that tool, so I can see some video examples here which have been generated with the help of this tool. You can see that all of the video, like there are some video for nature, some video for humans, some videos for animal. So all of these videos are high quality and super hyper realistic. You can see if I just open that video, so nobody can actually analyze or realize like if this video is real or maybe AI generated. You can see the detailing in this video, like this boy enjoying music in his room, and you can see the sunlight, the skin tone and the movement of the human. So you can see that this is super amazing. And if I just close this and open another video like this, in this video there's a girl, basically she is flying in air, and these kind of things basically are not possible in real life, but as you know, it's an AI tool, so you can generate anything which you want or anything which you imagine, no matter it's possible in real life or not, right? So if I just close this and go up and open this video, so you can see that it's a monkey and basically he is enjoying tea in a restaurant beside the lake. And you can see that there is one lake and some boats in the background. And if I just close this and scroll down, so you can see there are multiple examples. So just like this, today we are going to use this tool to generate our product image, right? So if you want to use that tool, so on the left side you can see there are some tabs like images, videos and all media history and trash. And on the bottom you can see there is a text field where you can actually write any prompt you want, and against that prompt it will generate a video for you. So either you have to type a text prompt or you can just put any image and then ask to generate a video with the help of that image, right? So here you can see that I have already taken the picture of that perfume with the help of my phone. So now we will copy that picture and paste that picture here. So if you want to do with your product, so you have to take your phone and take a picture of your product with the help of your phone and put that picture here. And after putting that picture, you have to write a prompt like generate a high quality hyper realistic video featuring this perfume bottle used and promoted by a digital influencer, right? So you can see that this is a super simple command, no any detailing and no any condition. So I'm just using this simple command just to show you like how you can generate. Otherwise, if you want to make a final video of your product, so you can just do some brainstorming and write some detailed command of exactly the detail what you want. Because if you give a simple command, so there might be some errors in the video which you don't want. So if you want the exact video, so you have to write the exact detailed command. So after putting that command, you can see there are some other options like video type, video size, video resolution and duration. So basically, I'm just leaving all of that standard size so we can generate the video quickly. Otherwise, if you want, you can just change the duration as well. So after putting the image and the prompt, all we have to do is we have to just click on this generate button, and then you can see on the top right corner, I have got a message added to queue. So when you put the prompt and when you put the image, then in that queue, your video generation will be started. And you can see if I click on that, so here it gives a title to my video, Perfume Tribute Promotion. And if I scroll down, so you can see there are some other videos as well which I have generated in past for my other products, right? So here it will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes to generate the whole video, so we have to wait, and then I'll get back to you after video is completed. Alright, so here you can see that my video has been 100% completed and generated. So if I click on that, I will be able to see the video. So before clicking, I'm super excited, like I want to see my product in action with an influencer promoting this. So if you're also excited, then make sure to like this video and share this video with your friends. So let's just click on this video. So here you can see that there are basically two videos which that tool has generated, and in the first one the bottle is like changed but the logo and the design is same, and in the second video the bottle is same, and basically we can see an influencer hand opening the cap of that bottle, right? So if we open that first video, so you can see that this video is super hyper realistic, and you can see there's a perfume bottle with the logo, and behind that we can see the influencer hand holding that bottle. So basically the only problem in this video is the label. Like in my real product the label is black, and in that product the label is transparent. Otherwise if you put that same label, then I think that this video will be the perfect clip. So just like that, as I said, in first attempt we can actually get some errors in the video, and then after getting those errors you have to regenerate the video, and in the second attempt you have to mention the specific thing which you don't want to add. Like if I generate this video again, so I must add a line into the prompt that the perfume bottle must be same and the label must be in black color. So if I add this line into the prompt, so the next video which this tool will generate should look like same. So in that way you can actually generate multiple videos of 5 seconds for your product, and you can actually make a whole scene. And after generating, you can just combine all of those video clips into a software like CapCut, add some text and music, and then the final version of the video will be there, and you can actually use that video to promote your product on social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or even Amazon ads. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.